Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use MiniTool MovieMaker video editor if you are a YouTuber, video blogger, and you have in Windows operating system. So this video is very important for you. I'm providing you detailed demonstration how to download, how to install, and how to edit and export video using MiniTool MovieMaker. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just type here MiniTool MovieMaker. First link is display here. MiniTool MovieMaker, easy to use, free movie maker software. So here this is a framework. I already put this link in same video description, and look at this here. We start here as a download. I just simply download. After finish the download, click twice.
Just double click on the setup files and your setup is ready for the installation. Once you install the setup, it is completed. Once completed your setup, it is time to open the MiniTools MovieMaker application, and now it is time open the new project. So it is first time view look. Just click on the new icon ready for your application for making the video. Import the media files. Just click on the data and select the video files and audio files. So both data I am already here down. Just drag and drop on the particular strip locations, and I want to not require the full these files, so just split out there. So in between just cut out some data in between. So just drag and press particular locations and just press on the scissor icon. It means split. Just click on split and just select those area you don't want. Just press your mouse icon and hit the delete button. Once you hit the delete button, your data is deleted. So it is time to make some background music on that file. Just click on the plus icon and add the background music. So you can check here, this is background music. We are checked first before we check, just reduce the voice on this video file. So it is mute here. Now it is time to check the background music. So you can check, guys, these times voice is very loudly, so we need to just right click on that file, edit, and you can check out here. So reduce the background music. From here you have the number of options you can apply as your level. Now next point is transition. Just click on the transition button and select your location. Suppose I just drag this mouse here, or just going to here for start. Before the start, click on the scissor button and apply here some files. Just drag and drop on this split area, and now it is time to play. Just go back using this. Okay, just click on that. This types effect you can add here. Next time we are adding here the effect. Transition is completed. Now we add here the effect. Just click on the plus icon and select the stream. Your frame is add. You can check out here. This data is applying here. Early bird and just playing. Here visible like that. You just remove that frame. You can check this background. So these types of the effect you can add here. Okay. So we are adding some different kinds of the effect for your file. So as your requirement you can apply. So next time you add here the text file. So you have the number of options you can add as per your requirement. So you can select here. Just click on this button and your subtitle is coming here. And you can modify. Just click on that. Add here welcome. We just add here the title welcome. Now we need to modify the font of these files. So check out here. This is a font, italic, center, left, right, and also change the color of that text. So it is completed. Next time to motions. So you can also apply these motions on the same procedure, and elements is also. So elements having the number of options as your requirement you can add. Suppose I am adding here the elements on that locations. Just place here. This is the effect is applying on that locations. If it is end, just modify. So now it is time to add here it is just apply. Click on the plus button. Icon is ready for the use on the element. Like this you can apply the number of icons as your requirement. You can add your icons. I show you how to export that file. So this file is exporting very simple. So you can click on this export button. Click on that export button. It is asking you the location where you want to save that data. You have the number of options as your requirement. You can change the modify directory. You have the also format as per your requirement. social media or your requirement, you can modify the format of that file. Also you can give the file name and how much space is required for these files, what kinds of the resolutions you have the multiple options. You can check this. You can also encoder that files and better quality, good quality. So we select on the good, click on the OK button and export that file. Once you click on the export button, your data is exporting on the particular location. Once your export file is completed, you can check that direct output files and use for the uploading.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.